Welcome to another set of hair hack videos. Take your hair, divide it into two parts and make two half ponytails out of those parts. Then take the lower part, tie a ponytail again. Then divide that ponytail into two parts and start attaching that ponytail with the former two ponytails. Take your hair, divide it into four sections, each from one side, and then keep rolling that hair on top of the other to form a ponytail at the down just like this. Decorate it with your favorite rubber bands. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a pigtail, then along with that pigtail, attach your favorite ribbon and along the length tie another pigtail. Take your hair, arrange it in the form of a bow. Then, along the sides of the bow, keep tying the pigtails and attach it in the form of ponytail. Repeat the same process with both the parts of your hair. Take your hair, divide it into three parts, make a ponytail each, and then remove that ponytail upwards just like this and make a gap through it. Roll your hair through that gap, then roll your hair above, giving it a circular look. Take your hair, tie it in the form of plaits just like this. The plait should look complex but it should be clean. Then tie the other half of your head as the same pigtail. Attach that pigtail to the ponytail above and roll it upwards just to make it look like a circle. Decorate it just like this. Take two parts of your hair, tie each part in the form of pigtails and then make it look like a ribbon and then tie the lower end along with your favorite rubber band. Take your hair, divide it into two parts, then take another part of the head and then tie pigtails out of that. When you are done, take the lower part, tie pigtails again and roll it upward just like this. Take your hair, divide it into four parts. Divide the same four parts with the next part of your hair. Roll it upwards, making it a pigtail. Thank you for watching.